Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Johan. Please subscribe, please like. Today I've got a great special for you. I picked myself up a lawnmower. 2 lawnmowers to be exact. This one, it runs, well, I don't know it, but yeah, they said it runs. It doesn't have a diff, the diff is over there. This one totally runs, totally epic. It's just a problem with this lawnmower deck, which is fine, easy to fix. It runs, well, it should run. There's a lawnmower from last time, and a lot of parts. So, what I have going on here is that one on the jack right now. I'm putting back the diff. Here's the diff. There's an extra engine. This engine right here just needs a sump. There's a lawnmower deck. There's a bucket of parts. There's another engine. 2 engines, three engines over here. The diff, basically another engine, and the lawnmower deck for the second one. So what I'm going to do is I'm putting this one's diff back. Once I got the diff back, I'm going to fire it up, and well, hopefully this ignition key is seized. It's stuck. The key doesn't want to go in. Yeah, the key doesn't want to go in. No, that doesn't go deep enough. But this one totally runs. It's fine. It's cool. There's nothing wrong. But let's get started. Alrighty, guys. I can't get this key to work, so I'm just gonna have to pull the ignition out. And yeah. Because it don't want to work. Unfortunately, this machine has been standing in the rain almost its whole life. The original engine from this machine, a little kid took it apart for some unknown reason. Nobody knows why. I mean, the engine still looks fine. There's probably something wrong with the piston, but yeah. And they replaced this engine, and I've got another engine to replace. That one that runs, it's when it gets hot, it doesn't want to fire up, and it uses a lot of oil. Holy cow! So I need to replace the rings on that one. All right, ignition is out. Ignition doesn't want to work. It's blocked. I probably need some air. Yeah, it's full of dirt. I'll be back once it's clean, guys. Alrighty, guys. Well, it's kinda in. The camera shut down, so you do not see almost any of that, but yeah, it's like so close. Just those 2 bolts, those 2. I need to hook up the belt, and we'll get fired up, see if it will run. I put the diff back. I got it all up and running. Got stung by a bee. It's, well, look at this. Now this engine's gone, guys. It's finished. It's done for. Look at all this over here. It's done for, all of it. It's got nothing left. The oil is running out of the exhaust. This lawnmower is really bad, and I don't want to go no more. Look at it, guys. This one, it's fine, but this one's terrible. Look at all this oil. It's just oil everywhere. I cleaned this garage up the other day. Look at all this smoke. Yo. But not to worry, I have a spare engine right there. Hopefully it works. Well, looks like yeah, this is terrible. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here before I die. This is crazy. And sorry I'm so late, guys. I was actually busy. Our cattle needed some food, so we had to go fetch some. And yeah, it took us freaking the whole day to do that. And then I came back, put the diff back. Me and some other guy, we were struggling with the ignition for the past like 6 hours. And now finally, when I fire it up, this engine's toast, guys. Just look at all that. It's toast. Toasted. It's gone. Holy cow. I was busy there with the lawnmower and the beast just started attacking me. Oh. Well, I got the lawnmower running. Took me a bit, but I got it running, and the bees, can't probably see them, but they're everywhere. Holy man. Shucks, look over there too. It's everywhere. Oh no! The lawnmower is smoking. It's killing them. Holy cow. So guys, actually the next day, I've been struggling the whole day. It's now 2 o'clock and I've been struggling from 7 this morning, doing ignition and wiring, and finally got the engine up and running. Fortunately it doesn't work with the key, but you know, that's fine. Yesterday it was smoking so bad, and I went Googled because it was idling for a pretty long time, and some guy told me it has to idle much longer for it to clean up, and it's been idling for a while now and it's starting to clean up. So yeah, I've won, victorious. But yeah, and then I was gonna, because the diff doesn't want to work, and now the bees just started attacking me like crazy. Holy cow. Alright guys, I'll be back once I figure out the diff situation, and it's about to die. So guys, this is what's happening now. The lawnmower is right here. Well, unfortunately, the diff started spinning. I just poured a lot of oil and started going, but it's very weak. I can just stop it with my hand and it stops. So both of the lawnmowers, they need oil change, diff change. They need basically everything changed on it. This one I'm gonna maybe change the oil and put a bit thinner or put a bit thicker oil, and then we'll see if it runs. But there's still a big problem. This ignition system, I've been struggling with it the whole day. My ignition box is broken. I need to go get a new one. It don't wanna run no more. Well, it runs, the diff works, but it's just really bad. This lawnmower has been standing for over 7 years in rain and really bad conditions outside, and so it's really bad. But I have to get a new ignition box. I put a new ignition on. This old ignition, I rebuilt it like 7 times yesterday. And when I got it in and got everything right, and when I turned the key, the whole ignition burnt. So that ignition is no longer with us. But the fuel system's better now. The carburetor still has a few problems. Easy fix. It runs without me fixing those. It's fine. And yeah, unfortunately, almost everything is seized on this lawnmower. The old engine was actually... This is not its original engine. The original engine was... it was this one over here. Yeah, it was this one over here. This was the original engine. Don't know why the other kid took it apart. Really don't know why. For some reason. Looks fine to me. Maybe there's another problem. I don't know. But it's got another engine. This engine runs fine. It's just it needs an ignition. The gas tanks on both of them need cleaning. This one needs tires. So, yeah. But that's basically it. And I need to go get me some gas. Oh well. I need to go get some gas. My gas is finished. Oh, it doesn't want to go, this lawnmower. Hey, watch me struggle pull this lawnmower around. As I said, this one's fine. I could fire it up for you. It goes right off. Just need to take the battery. Take the battery out. Put it onto this one. Wow. They both run. This one drives. I would have probably driven that one long time, fixed it long time if its tires weren't that shoddy and broken. Just look at that tire. One of them has a hole in it. I'll try and find the one with the hole now. Bad. Look at that one. It's folding over the metal already. It's just really bad. Right, battery's in. Look at it. It's really bad. This side, same. This side has a big hole. There's the hole. See, look, there's the hole. Holy cow. You probably can't see it, but I can put the whole spanner in it. Big hole. And this one, well, it only needs one. This one has a slow puncher. But other than that, this one pretty much just lights off. See, lights right off. See, it just goes. Just goes. Doesn't struggle too much. It just goes. So guys, if you want to see next week where I replace the second one's ignition box, do all the wiring, everything, and get it up and running, change the tires, get it fired, get it running, get the diff fixed. If you want to see that, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.